Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most versatile and budget-friendly products for all detailers. As we talk more about it, you'll really start to see just how detailer-friendly it is. So to start the conversation off, what is one of the first things you think of when it comes to a detailing arsenal? Tools, products, mainly products in this instance. For me, the first thing I think of is an APC, an all-purpose cleaner. That's because they're really a staple in the detailing industry at this point, because not only does it save you time, but it also saves you money, and they can mainly just be used in a variety of different instances, and that's what we want. That's how we want to grow our business, to make, details go faster. With that said, it shouldn't come as a surprise that today's topic is an all-purpose cleaner. Today, we're going to be talking about Super Clean Degreaser. And yes, it has degreaser in the name, but many detailers use it as an all-purpose cleaner because of the way it can be diluted, just like most detailing chemicals. Super Clean Degreaser is also very affordable. So not only is it easy to use, you can get it at Walmart, you can get it off of Amazon, you can buy it in small, medium, large gallons, and get a really nice bang for your buck. If you're on any kind of budget, this product might be for you. I'm going to take that back. This product is for you if you are starting out your detailing business. And I can say that because it is actually the very first product I bought on my own for my business. Because you need something with this type of versatility. It'll make things so much easier, because no matter if you're in shop, if you are on someone else's location, working on their vehicle, if you have this with you, you can simply dilute it and use it for almost any given scenario. It can be used on tires, the rubber, it can be used on rims, it can be used on door jambs, fabric, leather. It really does work in all kinds of different situations. You can even use it in your car soap if you need a little more extra bite, to get off the bugs and whatever. At the time of this recording, I believe you can get a gallon off of Amazon for about $16, $16, and that is not bad. I have a link in the description if you'd like to get some. If you need a little further convincing, then even in the video in the background right now, I'm using it. I'm using it on these rims. I have it in my car wash soap a little bit. I use it on bugs a lot, and I always keep it on hand. And if you don't want to take my word for it, which is understandable, look around on YouTube. There are so many detailers that still use it to this day. It really blew up a few years ago, and it's still one of the top names, one of the top dogs in the detailing industry. And so many people can confirm that. So many people will vouch for that. And not to mention, it's purple. I mean, that's cool. It's not boring. It's purple. And it smells good. It doesn't smell like good, you don't want to be smelling it purposefully, but it smells clean. It is a good smell. If you detail a lot of someone's interior, they're not going to be upset about smelling it. The only other product that I have ever used like this one, and that even comes close to me having used it as much as this product, would be Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner. But and that is great and all in its own way, and can be used for a lot of the same things, but it's also more expensive. And so, if we're really looking for a budget-friendly starter, it doesn't even have to be a starter. A lot of professionals use this still. This is going to be your go-to, because again, it is so versatile. You can use it on so many different things. It is budget friendly, which I have already said. Okay. And it's local. So you can go to a local store and potentially just go ahead and pick it up and get going. To kind of wrap it all up, I am not saying that this is the best all-purpose cleaner. I'm not saying it's the best degreaser. I'm not saying it is the best product. But I am saying that it is the best product for most people's budgets, for most people's scenarios, if not all. Because it, again, I'm going to sound like a broken record, but it's affordable. And that's what we need to grow our business if we want to keep making money and to keep growing. So we need affordability. We need versatility. So we can use it on multiple different things without having to buy so many different products. And it's easy to use because it has nice dilution ratios on the back. You can keep it pretty much on your hip and use it for so many different things. So you're always prepared for no matter what's going to come at you. But that really is all I had to say about it. Because, again, that was one of my first products. It was actually my first product that I ever bought, and I still use to this day. So it's just some simple advice so you don't have to go searching around for the best kind and trying a bunch of different products and wasting time. This way you can make money now. But yeah, honestly, that's all there is to it. Let me know if you do use a different kind of all-purpose cleaner or degreaser and you think it is better than Super Clean, because there are a few debates out there and I would like to hear them. I would love to hear what you use. But yeah, that's that. See ya.